This is to grade your homework from lesson 2 of module 2. So on this, we will have these parts here where you have to fill in. This was just kind of words for you to think about or questions to think about. The only thing that we're going to really be grading is the answer of how much ribbon did Nicole have at first, which is 16 feet. So that's if you got 16 feet for number 1, you get a +1. What you needed to ask yourself from this question is 6 feet is 3/8. Is that part of what number? The model should have been the 3/8 equals 6. So you should have broken it into eighths. If 3 of those boxes equal 6, that means each box equals 2. 8 boxes of 2 gets you your 16. For number 2, again, the only thing that I want or that I'm taking the point on is, did you figure out he would make 5 chords? So the question you should have asked is, how many 3/5 are in 3? And so that's taking 3 and dividing it into groups of 3/5. So for my model, I used my 3 meters here, 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. And then I broke those meters into fifths and I circled groups of 3/5. So then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords that I could make out of 3 meters of rope. For 3A, the capacity of the tank was 16 gallons +1, or if you put it here, if you put it somewhere in your work that the tank equaled 16 gallons, you get the point. What your question you should have asked yourself is 12 is 3/4 of what number? So then I mark that part, 3/4 of the tank equals 12. So if 3 of those boxes equal 12, that means there's 4 in each box. 4 groups of 4 is 16 gallons. For number 3B, using those 16 gallons, so now we have to ask how many halves are in 16. So for my model, I drew 16 pieces here, and then I broke them in half. So each gallon was 2 halves. So then I knew I had 16 groups of 2 pieces. So that's 32 bottles that it would take to fill them. So somewhere in your work, if you had 32 bottles, +1. So it's only out of 5 points today. And hopefully you're getting better at drawing your models and kind of seeing some of the relationships. If you don't understand this part, that's not my biggest concern. I do hope that you understand these models and are able to work with them to solve your problems. So up at the top, how many you got correct out of 5? Tell me what percentage that is. You should be able to translate fractions that are fifths into percents now. So give me that percent. Tell me if it's an M, P, or E. 4 to 5 is an M, P is a 3, E is 2 or less. If you got all 5 correct today, it is worth a punch. You could ask your teacher for a punch. Now watch video 1 for the lesson.